Tekion Razor. And we're here on Rodeo Drive. I've never seen a car get more attention than this. Look, I just opened it from the wheel. I'm gonna close it now, close front. Looks like a single seater, but this car actually has two seats. One here, one behind. How crazy. Oh wait, let's take this. Okay, look. So I'm just gonna take the steering wheel out so it's easier to get out of the car.
I'll take it.
Hey, it's not too bad. Just a hop, skip and a jump. And this is a fully electric car and it starts at around 1500 horsepower. They wanted it to look like a fighter jet on wheels. This is where you charge the car.